What's up, guys? We got a 2020 Kia Sportage. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because the only way it works, the factory alarm, if somebody opens the door, nobody's going to do that. They're going to bust your window and jump in without opening any of the doors, of course, because they know that the factory alarm is going to trip. So the shock sensor is already installed. By the way, if you're out of state, no problem. Give us a call and we'll guide you how to get this installed as quick as possible. Any state that you are, Canada or Puerto Rico, no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass, and now the alarm is gonna set off versus before I can destroy this whole car with a baseball bat and nothing will happen unless I open the door. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass. You're gonna see that the alarm's gonna trip this time. Hit unlock and that turns off the factory alarm. All right, this concludes this install we did. Obviously, what happened is it busted this guy's window and stole a bunch of stuff while he was out and about. So we wanted to do an update on the factory alarm system and add the shock sensor to it, the impact glass sensor. So any banging around the vehicle, obviously it will even protect the tires too. If somebody, let me go ahead and arm the system. When you arm it, you always got to wait about 30 seconds for the alarm to engage. That's the factory alarm delay. That has nothing to do with us. While we're waiting, these rims look pretty nice. Sometimes they leave your car on 4 bricks and take your rims and tires. This one happens to have a nut lock in there, but they can still take it out by sticking a socket and hammering it in by pressure, and that will remove that nut lock. So the shock sensor will love that. Any banging that they do around the vehicle, the shock will love it and it will fire off your factory alarm. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire and you're gonna see that the alarm is gonna fire off. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, not a problem. Give us a call and we can get this done. If you're in Miami, Homestead, Fort Lauderdale, Pepper Pines, no problem. We have free mobile service and we come out and take care of this installation for you. This is on a 2020 Kia Sportage. Thank you for watching this video.